If you are an animal lover and are curious to know some interesting animal facts, then you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about dogs. There are 339 recognized dog breeds in the world, and some have very rare and beautiful characteristics other dogs do not possess. To acquire such dogs, you will have to spend a lot. Number 15. The Chow Chow. The Chow Chow is a beautiful breed of dog from northern China. Their life expectancy is 9 to 15 years, and they can be black, blue, or cream. They are loyal and lovable. Chow Chows weigh from 20 to 27 kilograms. The price of a Chow Chow is around $900. Number 14. The Canadian Eskimo. The Canadian Eskimo is a working dog, and they are native to Canada. They are black, white, and black and white. They weigh between 18 and 40 kilograms. Canadian Eskimo dogs are affectionate, compassionate, and intellectual. These working dogs cost around $1,200. Number 13. The Newfoundland. These are gigantic dogs and can be black, brown, or a combination of white and black. Their life expectancy is 8 to 10 years. Newfoundlands are sweet in temperament. They are known to be gentle and compassionate. The average cost of a Newfoundland is around $1,300 or more. Number 12. The Saluki. A Saluki is a close relative of the Sighthound. They usually hunt by sight instead of by scent. The life expectancy for these dogs is 12 to 14 years. Salukis are an intelligent breed, but are shy and reserved. A Saluki dog will cost the buyer $2,300. Number 11. The Pharaoh Hound. The Pharaoh Hound is a Maltese breed. It is also known as a rabbit dog, since it is used for rabbit hunting in the Maltese Islands. The life expectancy of this costly breed of dog is 11 to 14 years. They can be chestnut, red, tan, and golden. These dogs are playful and affectionate and quite active. The price for a Pharaoh Hound dog ranges from $1,500 to $2,500. Number 10. The Neapolitan Mastiff. The Neapolitan Mastiff is an Italian dog breed, also known as the Mastino Napolitano, and it is famous as a guard dog. Their life expectancy is 8 to 10 years. They are quite protective of their owners and are obedient and trainable. The Neapolitan Mastiff sells for $2,600 to $5,600. Number 9. The Samoyed. The Samoyed has a white, double-thick fur coat. Their life expectancy is 12 to 13 years, and they are playful and friendly. They weigh from 16 to 30 kilograms and can be bought for $1,000 to $3,000. Number 8. The French Mastiff. The French Mastiff is also known as a Bordeaux dog and is one of the largest French dog breeds. Their life expectancy is 5 to 8 years. They can be red or faded fawn. The French Mastiff dog is courageous, patient, and lovable. Their average price is about $1,000, but can go as high as $4,000 to $5,000. Number 7. The Afghan Hound. The Afghan Hound is a breed of dog known for its fine, silky appearance of its long-haired coat. It is found in the Afghan mountains. Its life expectancy is 12 to 14 years. The Afghan Hound Dog is a cream-colored animal with white and sometimes light red colored fur. They are known to be independent. Their price is between $2,500 and $5,500. Number 6. The Azawak. The Azawak is from West Africa. They are also used in different regions as a sighthound. Their life expectancy is 10 to 12 years. They are quite affectionate, active, and have a cool temperament. Their price range varies from $2,500 to $5,700. Number 5. The Hairless Chinese Crested. The Hairless Chinese Crested Dog is a hairless and expensive breed of dog. There are two kinds of these dogs, with or without fur. Their life expectancy is 13 to 15 years, and their price range is $4,000 to $5,800. Number 4. The Cane Corso. The Cane Corso dog is from southern Italy. They are typically used by law enforcement as guard dogs and for investigating. Their life expectancy is 10 to 12 years. Their price range varies from $4,000 to $6,000, but can go as high as $8,500. Number 3. At number 3 on our list is the German Shepherd. This costly dog breed is used for various working purposes in Germany. Their life expectancy is 9 to 13 years. They are black and tan or black and silver. The price of the dog ranges from $6,000 to $7,000. Number 2. The Laotian. The Laotian is a small breed of dog with a life expectancy of 12 to 14 years. They are quite playful, active, and witty. They cost between $7,000 to $8,000. Be sure to check out all of our animal videos and give us a like. And number 1. The Lion Blood Tibetan Mastiff. The Lion Blood Tibetan Mastiff, also known as the golden-haired Tibetan Mastiff, tops our list of the most expensive dog breeds in the world. It is a large dog belonging to the Mastiff dog family. Their life expectancy is 12 to 15 years. Lion Blood Tibetan Mastiffs are strong, intelligent, and protective. The Tibetan Lion Blood Mastiff is actually part lion, and that's what makes them the most expensive breed of dogs. Sold at a cost of $2 million in China.